Welcome back to ColdStart Garage, guys. Hey, you guys made it. Welcome back to the second video of this Honda CB400 something or other. I don't know the actual model of this thing. Last video we got it painted, and here I am. I'm gonna put it back together. You can't see me. Oh, it's a mess in here. Yeah, all right, tools. Did a great job. Hating the threads. It's actually pretty warm today. That's why I'm trying to get after some of this miscellaneous stuff. All right, so let's get you in there a little closer. Yeah, I'm gonna go back through and touch up some of these. Well, obviously that's gonna stick out like a sore thumb. Put a little bit of Loctite on there. Just some medium grade. Ranch. Yeah, adjustable metric. Yeah. Don't judge me. I know my shed's a mess. I'm gonna take care of it in the spring. All right, I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse because I'm just gonna put this the way it was before I prepped it for paint. We'll start with that. That's some good stuff right there. No, we're not gonna fall. All right, what do we got? You guys must think I'm crazy putting a bike back together. It's been in boxes for years. 79 Honda something or another. It's probably not even worth much, but a motorcycle doesn't do good in boxes. It's got to be fully assembled and back on the road. And that's where it's gonna be. I guess I could try to figure out how to put this rear wheel back on. I don't have any of the parts yet. It's still pretty early in the week. Okay. I'm gonna need the buck. I'm just talking at a camera. Yeah, here we are. Bet you guys never thought you'd see a motorcycle on a picnic table, did you? You're welcome. I don't know. How's this going? Doesn't go like this, does it? I don't see that happening. Pictures. I got a buck. Use the buck, Adam. Oh yeah, that is upside down. Wanna know why? Because that's where the shocks mount, you idiot. What the hell is this for? Alright, what we got going on here? Don't know what that is. This might be for the wheel itself. It's awesome putting stuff back together that you didn't even take apart. Are these where the shocks go? Harnesses. That doesn't go there. No way that goes there. Does it go there? Have better pictures. Oh, you suck. Don't push that. Oh. Wait a minute. Damn it. Adam, what the hell are you looking at? What are these? Those pegs? Alright, so this looks like something. Am I missing something? Probably. Because this looks like it's going to be loose. Let's see if I have some washers. Alright, we're back. I'll be back. Dang. Alright, just got back from my parts washer, aka the kitchen sink. Don't worry, I use the dishes sponge. So what I'm gonna do now, because the book sucks, is I'm going to go to Babbitt's Online Parts or Parts Online. They're going to have an exploded view of this, and I'm going to really hone in what needs to happen with this, because I have no clue. Awesome. Before I search for parts, yeah, let's just damage stuff. I have some grease here. Arr. Why is it blue, Adam? Well, it's marine grease. You guys didn't know? When this is done, I'm launching it into the ocean. Dang it. Alright, it's all in my hands now. Oh, I really need some rags. That worked. Clean up your excess grease, guys. If you don't, all the dirts and debris stick to it. Dust cap 9000. I think it goes like that. Yeah, I don't know about that. I know, guys. This is just a dry fit. Something's weird. Is it? No. Yeah, 'cause I think this goes to, and clearly this is on the wrong side. I don't know, guys. I'll get back to you. I'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm missing a dust seal there, but I'm just gonna try to get this in there. Too far. Dang. How come you guys didn't warn me? I don't want to smash threads up more than I already have. Throw the nut on a little bit. Couple love taps. Yeah, definitely. I need to procure some dust caps. Feels good. Alright, so this guy actually mounts here, somewhere around here, something like that. I don't know. It's filthy. Needs to be clean. Next question is like, what hardware? Dang it! Oh, you're a rag now. I got Zerk fittings somewhere. Well, I'm gonna charge these really quick. I'll get back with you. I found these dust caps in a bag. Got this guy here that I believe goes. Yeah, just like that. Oh, we're having fun now. In there. It's pretty exciting. Yeah, don't mess around finding out with the steering arm. Go to your internet sources, pull up the pictures, and make sure you have the stuff to put it together correctly. So the last thing you want is going 55 miles an hour and this scoots away from you. And next thing you know, you're ragdolling it. Don't do that. Sorting through boxes of bolts. That's missing a cotter pin. I gotta come back to that. I'm missing a bolt for that yet. I think it might be this guy. Yep, that's the bolt. And 2 cotter pins for them. Alright, so what am I gonna do, Adam? I'm gonna back these bolts back out. Put Loctite on them. And see if the manual has a torque on them. I'm gonna guess they're probably 30 to 45 inch-pounds. Maybe for that guy, maybe 60, somewhere around for that. I'm just guessing. I'm guessing. I could be completely wrong. Sorting through more hardwares and parts. Put this part of the frame on. Have reused bolts. What do you guys think about that? They could be replaced, but we'll see. I'm just trying to get everything sorted. I think this goes there. The pictures on the internet kind of sucks, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, look at it. All right, what I got going on here? Water. I'm trying not to drink as much. Well, I'm trying to drink more water. There, I got this brackets on. Just trying to find where these oddball ones go. I don't know. Starting to look like something. I'm just trying to get things bolted on. How wet is that? Yep. It's textured now. I might have to pull these brackets back off to put the engine in. What engine? I don't have an engine. I don't know. That looks more better. A little bit of Loctite so it'll never come out. Yeah, I'm just using medium grade Loctite. Man, this looks just starting to look good. Yeah, the goal is just to get parts out of boxes. Probably gonna buy a new chain. I have no idea how many miles out. I'll check for you. Oh man, just look at it. 17,177.6. Ooh, and a spider. I don't know. I don't think that goes there. Am I missing some brackets? I can't see that. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, I'll be back. But it kind of looks like, see this half moon here and the half moon there? Kind of looks like it might lock in somewhere. I don't know about that. Rear foot peg brackets. Does it come back here or does it come over here? Kind of looks like it'll go here, doesn't it? I guess. Just look at it, huh? No, it goes further back. Oh, okay, I think I see what's going on. There we go. Fingering it out. And then this guy goes here. Yeah. No, too low. That's too low. No. No. Once it comes up like that. Alright, I keep running back and forth to pictures and stuff. I got a book right here. Let's look at it. Show me pictures. Use an index maybe? Nah. Alright. Pausing you. So yeah, there's a bit of an angle of the dangle. That always needs to be cleaned. Rusty. Whoa. Should I Loctite these now and regret it later? Yep. That's for the other side. Yeah, these pipes will and can clean up, I hope. Regret that later. Needs a cotter pin there. Another solid, meaty. Give me that. Fresh paint. Ah, it's all over me. Guys, I'm glad you're here on this journey with me. Sticky. Where is it? Right where I left it. This cotter pin is going the wrong direction. Or this clevis, whatever you want to call it. Oh, that, yeah. That's stuck right in there. Well, per the drawings, something goes right here other than that. Some kind of clamp, something. We'll get to that eventually. Well, it's starting to think about getting dark. I just don't want to stop. I'm excited building it. Yeah, I got some loose ends. Wonder if I need a new pin. Cotter pin snapped off in there. I'm just trying to get it to free up. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but I gotta try. We'll finish that action. We'll see. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work out for me. So I gotta order one of these. Oh, hold on. Maybe I could just drill it. Yeah, well, I'm gonna try that. Or you just drill it out like butter. If you have the tools, use them. Well, that's as far as we're gonna get in this video. I know I had big plans to get the wheels on and all that, but I needed my parts. So I'm waiting on parts, you're waiting on content. But the good news is I'm working on it. So hopefully by this weekend I can square up some parts, wrangle it up, and get this thing on wheels. Then we have to procure an engine. Thanks for watching ColdStart Garage. Remember to subscribe over here. And here's the playlist for all the Honda videos. Thanks very much.